This dance is called Marakaibo. It's a 64 count, 2 wall, intermediate level line dance with 2 restarts. Starting on the right foot. Walk forward, right, left, straight into a side rock, recover on the right, step forward on that right. Rock forward on the left, recover your weight on the right, half shuffle turn over your left shoulder, quarter, close, quarter. That set of steps once more. Walking forward on the right. 7, 8. Walk, walk and rock, step, forward, rock, half shuffle. We're going to do a similar set of steps now. Walking forward on that right again. Walk, walk, straight into that side rock, recover, step. You're then going to rock forward on the left, recover. Instead of doing a half shuffle turn, you're going to do a chassé, put a quarter turn left on it to start with. Turn, close, side. That set of steps once more then, walking forward on the right. 7, 8. Walk, walk and rock, step, forward, rock, turn, chassé. Put those two sections together. Walking forward on the right. 7, 8. Walk, walk and rock, step, forward, rock, half shuffle. Walk, walk and rock, step, forward, rock, turn, chassé. Now you're going to angle your body to 130, so to the diagonal as you do this next section of steps. So you're going to cross rock, right over left, recover your weight on that left, step in the right slightly to the side, you bump right, left, right. Cross rock the left behind the right, recover your weight on the right, small step to the side on the left, you bump your hips left, right, left. That set of steps once more then. Cross, rock and hip bumps off on the right. 7, 8. Cross, rock, but right, left, right. Back, rock, but left, right, left. Add that to the top. Walk, walk, off on the right. 7, 8. Walk, walk and rock. Step, forward, rock, half shuffle. Walk, walk and rock. Step, forward, rock, turn, chassé. Cross, rock, but right, left, right. Back, rock, but left, right, left. Add on a sailor step, squaring yourself back up to the 3 o'clock wall, right foot leads. And then a sailor quarter turn, stepping forward at the end, behind, making a quarter turn, side step. You're then going to do 2 1/8 pivot steps, and as you do these, you're going to put a bit of a hip roll on them. So you can step forward on that right, make that hip roll, making that 1/8 of a turn. Step forward on the right, hip roll, making a further 1/8 of a turn. So you should now be facing 9 o'clock. That set of steps once more then. Sailor step off on the right. 7, 8. Sailor step, sailor turn, step, pivot, step, pivot. That is our halfway point. Let's take it up to there. Walk, walk off on the right. 7, 8. Walk, walk and rock, step, forward, rock, half shuffle. Walk, walk and rock, step, forward, rock, turn, chassé. Cross, rock, bump, right, left, right. Back, rock, bump, left, right, left. Sailor step, sailor turn, step, pivot, step, pivot. The second half of the dance then. Cross the right over the left, point the left to the side, point the right left forward, flick the left back. Cross the left over the right, point the right to the side into a samba step, crossing the right over the left, rock to the side on the left and recover. That set of steps once more then. Cross point off on the right. 7, 8. Cross, point, point, flick, cross, point, samba step. left over the right. Turn a quarter left as you step back on that right. Shuffle back on the left. Rock back on the right, recover your weight on the left, and add on a full turn over your left shoulder, half a turn left as you step back on that right, half a turn left as you step forward on that left. That set of steps once more then. Cross turn off on the left. 7, 8, cross, turn, back shuffle, back rock, full turn. Now it is by virtue of its name, a full turn. Should you need to try and take that out, just replace it with a walk, walk. So you do your cross, quarter turn, back shuffle, back rock, recover, walk forward, right, left. So non-turning steps should you need to take that full turn out of that section. Now I will demonstrate that full turn whilst we're doing the walkthrough. I'll actually be doing the non-turning walk, walk option when the music is on, but I'll still call out full turn so you know where it is in the dance. So let's add that onto our halfway point. Cross point off on the right. 7, 8, cross, point, point, flick, cross, point, samba, step, cross, turn, back shuffle, back, rock, full turn. Step forward on the right, hold, into a chase half turn, stepping forward on the left, pivot half a turn right, step forward on the left. Hold, step forward on the right, pivot half a turn to the left. That last section of steps. Step hold into that chase half turn off on the right. 7, 8, step, hold, step, pivot, step, hold, step, pivot. Add that to a halfway point. Cross point off on the right. 7, 8, cross, point, point, flick, cross, point, samba, step, cross, turn, back shuffle, back rock, full turn, step, hold, step, pivot, step, hold, step, pivot. You're going to add on a V-step. As you do this V-step, you go forward on the diagonals, you're going to push your hips out. So you're going to push your hips out on that right diagonal, push out on that left, back, close. Then you're going to add on a couple of back rocks. And as you do these back rocks, you're again going to push your hips back and pop your knee. So you're going to rock back on that right, pushing your hip out, pop that left knee, recover and repeat. So you're doing 2 back rocks. That last set of steps then, V-step off on the right. 7, 8, out, out, in, close, back, rock, back, rock. That is the end of the dance at that point. Let's add that to our halfway point. Cross point off on the right. 7, 8, cross, point, point, flick, cross, point, samba, step, cross, turn, back shuffle, back, rock, full turn, step, hold, step, pivot, step, hold, step, pivot, out, out, in, close, back, rock, back, rock. That's your 2 halves. Let's put them together. Walk, walk off on the right. 7, 8, walk, walk and rock, step, forward, rock, half shuffle, walk, walk and rock, step, forward, rock, turn chasse, cross, rock, right, left, back, rock, left, sailor, step, sailor, turn, step, pivot, cross, point, point, flick, cross, point, samba, step, cross, turn, back shuffle, back, rock, full turn, step, hold, step, pivot, step, hold, step, pivot, out, out, in, close, back, rock, back, rock. That's your dance. I'll now go through it with the counts. Walking forward on the right. 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, hold 2, 3, 4, 5, hold 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So hopefully that gives you a good feel for the timing of the dance. Now it is a 2-all dance, so let's have a go at the back wall, and we'll keep going when we get back to the front so you can see how the walls join together. Walking forward on the right. 7, 8, walk, walk and rock, step, forward, rock, half shuffle, walk, walk and rock, step, forward, rock, turn chassé, cross, rock, from right, back, rock, left, right, left, sailor, step, sailor, turn, step, pivot, cross, point, point, flick, cross, point, samba, step, cross, turn, back shuffle, back, rock, full turn, step, hold, step, pivot, step, hold, step, pivot, out, in, close, back, rock, walk, walk and rock, step, forward, rock, half shuffle, walk, walk and rock, step, forward, rock, turn chassé, cross, rock, right, back, rock, left, left, sailor, step, sailor, turn, step, pivot, cross, point, flick, cross, point, samba, step, cross, turn, back shuffle, back, rock, full turn, step, pivot, step, pivot, out, in, close, back to back, rock. So hopefully you've managed to do those 2 walls with me. Now we do have 2 restarts in this dance, and just to keep you on your toes, they are in different places. So your first restart comes on wall 2 after 56 counts. So you do the whole dance, but you don't do the last section, so you don't go into your V-step and your back rocks. Your second restart comes on wall 5 after 60 counts. So with that one, you do your V-step, you don't do the back rocks. So with both of them, you're virtually doing a whole wall as it is. So it's 56 counts on wall 2, 60 counts on wall 5. So wall 2 is our 6 o'clock wall. You'll restart facing 12. Wall 5 is your 12 o'clock wall. You'll restart facing 6. So let's just do wall 2 to start with, 56 counts, and restart the dance. Walking forward on the right. 7, 8, walk, walk and rock, step, forward, rock, half shuffle, walk, walk and rock, step, forward, rock, turn chassé, cross, rock, right, back, rock, left, right, left, sailor, step, sailor, turn, step, pivot, cross, point, flick, cross, point, samba, step, cross, turn, back shuffle, back, rock, full turn, step, pivot, hold, step, pivot, restart, walk, walk and cross, step, forward, rock, half shuffle. So that's your first restart point. So your second restart is on wall 5. So wall 5 being our front wall, let's take you up 60 counts this time and restart. Walking forward on the right. 7, 8, walk, walk and rock, step, forward, rock, half shuffle, walk, walk and rock, step, forward, rock, turn chassé, cross, rock, right, left, back, rock, left, right, left, sailor, step, sailor, turn, step, pivot, cross, point, flick, cross, point, samba step, cross, turn, back shuffle, back rock, full, turn, step, hold, step, pivot, step, hold, step, pivot, out, in close, restart, walk, walk and rock, step, forward, rock, half shuffle. So hopefully you can see how those two restarts fit in. 56 counts on wall 2, 60 counts on wall 5. So that is it. That is your dance, your walkthrough and your restart information. Let's give it a go to a bit of music. Five, six, seven, eight. Walk, walk and rock, step, forward rock, half shuffle. Walk, walk and rock, step, forward rock, turn shuffle. Cross, rock, right, left, rock, back, rock, left, right, left. Sailor step, turn, step, pivot, step, flip, cross, point, flip, cross, point, samba step, cross, turn, back shuffle, back, rock, full, turn, step, pivot, step, pivot, out, in, rock, walk, and rock, step, forward rock, half shuffle, restart, forward, rock, turn, step, cross, rock, right, left, front, back, rock, left, right, left, sailor step, turn, step, pivot, cross, point, flip, cross, point, samba step, cross, turn, back shuffle, back, rock, full, turn, forward, step, pivot, step, pivot, restart, walk, cross rock, sailor, cross point, cross turn, step, big, walk, cross rock, sailor, cross point, cross turn, step, big, so next restart wall. Restart, walk. Hope you managed that one.